Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word milk. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She poured a glass of cold milk to go with her cookies. Milk refers to a nutrient-rich liquid produced by mammals to feed their young, commonly consumed by humans for its high calcium and protein content. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.